టీవీ ట్రిబుల్ 9 న్యూస్ కి స్వాగతం. బెంగళూరులో పట్టణంలో 11వ కామన్వెల్త్ పార్లమెంటరీ అసోసియేషన్ ఇండియా రీజియన్ కాన్ఫరెన్స్ లో పాల్గొని ప్రసంగించిన తెలంగాణ శాసన మండలి చైర్మన్ గుత్తా సుఖేందర్ రెడ్డి. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర శాసన సభాపతి గడ్డం ప్రసాద్ కుమార్, డిప్యూటీ చైర్మన్ బండా ప్రకాష్ ముదిరాజ్, లెజిస్లేటివ్ సెక్రటరీ డాక్టర్ వి నరసింహాచార్యులు, అధికారులు తదితరులు పాల్గొన్నారు.
Speakers and chairman, speakers and chairmen. Today, it gives me immense pleasure to be part of this prestigious CPA India Region Conference. Here in the historic city of the Bangalore, Karnataka, I bring to you warm greetings from the people of Telangana and from the Telangana Legislative Council. The agenda before us today, debate and discussion in the House of Legislature, building people's trust, meeting people's aspirations in the both timely and significant. The importance of the debate and discussion at the heart of every democracy lies the legislature. It is here that people's voice are their grievances and addresses and their aspirations are translated into policy. Debate and discussion are the soul of the process. They are not mere formalities, but the very instrumental through which truth emerges. Made after informed debate in the open, citizens feel includes use technology, live telecast, digital archives and online participation platforms make legislatures more accessible to the public. Meeting people's aspirations. India is a young nation with more than 65% of the population below 35 years. Their aspirations are less quality education, jobs, healthcare, infrastructure, and above all, opportunities to grow with the dignity. Legislature must be the arena where those aspirations are debated and translated into policies. Young youth aspirations in introducing skill development programs, digital education, and employment opportunities should be central to our discussions. Women empowerment. Legislatures must champion laws that provide equal opportunity, safety, and political representation to the women. Marginalized communities, scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, minorities, and persons with disabilities must find a strong voice in legislative debates. The opportunities often overshadow national people-centric interests. If legislature turn into a battlegrounds of slogans rather than the schools of dialogue, the trust of the people erodes. The way forward to overcome these challenges, I humbly suggest a few measures. Code of conduct, all members must agree to it, obeyed by the common code that promotes dignity and respect of debates. More time for the private member business. This encourages diverse ideas and gives back benches voice. Strengthening the committee system. Committees allow to depth discussions while away from the political heat and lead to well-informed policies. Capacity building. Legislature should be regularly trained in new technologies, lawmaking process, and global best practices. Citizen engagement. Create a platform where the people can submit their suggestions on the bills or issues, those making the process participatory. Leveraging AI and digital tools. Artificial intelligence already being introduced in the Indian Parliament and Telangana Legislature can help the research